Alright, so today we're checking out this analog module adapter for your DJI FPV goggles. This is from Happy Model. Looks pretty similar to something made by another company that I forgot the name of the company, but when it first came out, I thought it was way overpriced. This is much more reasonably priced at about $20 to $24. It's like it's just, I don't know, some sort of ABS plastic, nothing special here. Obviously this goes over the front of the DJI goggles and replaces the front metal plate here. This is some sort of a plastic plate, and you know, it goes through the AVN on the goggles, so you can use your analog modules like this one here. I forget what this one's called. I'll find out here in a second. You got your ports here, for your video out and power. There's a basically a pass-through cable for the video signal, and then you have this Y adapter for the power pass-through, and then you get a couple of the screws to replace in the front. So should be pretty quick to install. Let's go ahead. I'll just go ahead and put them on while we're filming here. All right, so this is what it looks like with it attached to the front, replacing the front metal plates. Not the best looking fit there. You can see there's a bit of a gap there on top, but it's on there securely. It's not going to be going anywhere. Put the module in here. I think this is upside down, and it's a pretty tight fit. This TPU part here is perhaps printed a bit too thick, so you may need something else here because there's a bit of a gap. Let's see if it actually powers up or not. Plug in your AV cable here. And you got one power cord that goes over here, and then the other one is over here. And you just power up here like normal. Okay, yeah, so it actually is upright, not upside down. Let's go ahead and find a channel here. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and go to the AVN and enable that. Okay, so this is an analog signal. As you can see, it is working. And of course you can record to the DVR on the DJI goggles. It'll record the AVN. So this will work with pretty much all of the modules out there, including rapid fire, as far as I know. Whether or not every module will fit in here with its included cover, that's another story. I'm not going to test a whole bunch of them because I no longer own a lot of these modules anymore. I forget what this one's called, like an OWL RC module, I believe. I'll probably test this out and use this for analog. But yeah, this is, this should work fine if you want to use your DJI goggles. It has a little bit better appearance here with the module in the front. There's other adapters where the module goes on the side that I guess that didn't appeal to certain people. So if you want something a little bit cleaner looking, this is a pretty nice clean setup and easy to put together, and you don't have to do any soldering, and you don't void your warranty. So yeah, that's about it. If you have any questions, let me know. Talk to you guys in the next video.